Merry Christmas from Room by the Hour.
Hey, you heard it. So how'd you like that $1,000 a night hotel? Well, how about a $600 a night hotel because everything's expensive? I'm in Radisson Inn, actually Radisson Blu, next to the airport. Let's see what this thing's all about. First off, the parking spaces kind of suck. They're really, really skinny. Second off, ain't that a cool little car? To clarify, it was actually $586. They had me at the Hilton, but I'm like, I don't want to stay there. So I chose to stay here instead. It was actually only $480, but there was no food, no nothing. It was just plain Jane Old Hampton. Okay. Check-in was actually pretty awesome. They don't have a restaurant here though, so you know, figure that part out.
As they say, go all the way up.
All right. So it's a king bed, a little desk area, a chair, and a bathroom. And she's got her eyes closed. Okay, we're not quite all the way up. I guess there's another floor above us. TV works. You got an iron and an ironing board, a fridge. Fridge kind of works. Coffee. Heritage. I'm gonna try it. Never had that before. Oh, and a light. Microwave looks like it works. I really like the mirror. And then got a nice bathroom, lotion, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, a mirror to see your pores. Oh wait, it doesn't look the same in here. Toilet, shower. I like it. It's weird. I don't like this chair. Ooh, those are thick. Oh, this is so much better than the $1,000 room. So much better. There's a strike. They just showed up. They're gonna be here about 5 o'clock. I'm like, okay, cool. I just ran their life and explained to them what's gonna happen with higher wages. Because they don't actually get higher wages. They just lose their jobs because the place shuts down. Okay, so I had to come to this deal. Apparently there's an airport for seaplanes with a bar and grill in it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have steak and taters at the seaplane airport. It's right behind. Scalloped potatoes, huh? Let me tell you what, that was probably the best steak I've had in a very, very long time. It was wonderful. It was great. The scalloped potatoes were weird as shit. And I think it's because they had like jalapenos in them. I don't know. Hey, look, somebody just landed. He's over there. Apparently this is their terminal. There's a lot of little towns in the region that they actually go ahead and they fly into by seaplane. Y'all been with me on the little turboprops out in Pennsylvania and out in Southern California though, so that's the same thing. It's just got sea legs, literally. They're protesting. Radisson Blu Vancouver Airport. All right, we got us a king bed. I'm not cool enough for a suite. Nice mirror to get ready. Coffee. Ironing board. Fridge that works. Yeah, I mentioned coffee and a microwave. I like the soaps, conditioners, shampoos, the shower. I mean, kind of knocked my head on it, but that's fine. Ooh, those are comfy. This chair is just, I don't like the chair at all. This bed is definitely floppable, and I like it. I don't know what this is all for. It looks like they got convention halls. I think this is a coffee shop. Okay, there's really nothing down the rest this way. So I'm actually going and looking for the gym. And there's this whole back part of the hotel. It's like the convention center side, right? And I'm like thinking I'm in an abandoned hotel here. But yeah. I don't think my exploring is being very well receptive. But by one gentleman. The lady, she's cool. I even told her about the channel. She's like, oh, how are we gonna do it? I was like, I don't know. Room looks good so far. I didn't tell her about my exploring in the vacant part of the building. Wow, this is a gym now. Come on. Wow, it keeps going and going. So the protesters are there. Over there's the airport. And I have no idea what that is in the sky. Oh wait, that's the plant I was at today. Yeah, okay. It's on the mountain. One day I'll look like that guy. Maybe when I don't eat steaks and all that. Wifey's looking like her though. Wifey's looking like a snack. You got towels and everything. My code worked to get in this random room. My card, that is. So I just wanted to see what it looked like in there, and the card worked. They're protesting. Radisson Blu Vancouver Airport. All right, we got us a king bed. I'm not cool enough for a suite. Nice mirror to get ready. Coffee. Ironing board. Fridge that works. Yeah, I mentioned coffee and a microwave. I like the soaps, conditioners, shampoos, the shower. I mean, kind of knocked my head on it, but that's fine. Ooh, those are comfy. This chair is just, I don't like the chair at all. This bed is definitely floppable, and I like it. I don't know what this is all for. It looks like they got convention halls. Okay, there's really nothing down to us this way. Wow, this is a gym now. I don't know if I can hear if you can hear the protesting or not. It is annoyingly loud. I'm just so over this. $600 a night for a room for this, and they want new contracts to make $40 an hour cleaning rooms. You know what? I really like having a real coffee cup. It just makes things so much better. Hindsight. This room is $560 something a night versus the $1,000 one. Coffee pot works. It's got real coffee. Bed's more comfortable. Like, there's so much better about it. The building is just in disarray, big time. So, food was down the road, but it was a hell of a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'd definitely stay here again. No, we'll do a black light in a minute. I didn't do that the last time.